Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix your Snapchat account if it's locked. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're trying to open up Snapchat here, let's open it up and you're trying to log in and it's saying that your account is locked or you're already in, and it gives you these weird error messages that your account is locked. There are a couple different things that you can do to unlock your account. Now, the very first thing that we'll want to do is to head into Safari. You can use this on Google Chrome as well, on Android or iPhone. And we'll just type in Snapchat locked. So once you type in Snapchat locked, you can see the very first option is my account is locked. And you can see that, make sure that this is the Snapchat website. So it says support.snapchat.com. So make sure you're on the Snapchat website itself. And then it gives you a bunch of information on what if your account has been locked, if your account has been temporarily locked or permanently locked. Your account has been locked because it's been compromised. Maybe somebody got your password or something like that. And you can go down here and it says some of the reasons why your account might be locked. If you downloaded a third-party app that they don't like, sending spam or violating their community guidelines, suspicious activity, you're logging in from a banned device, stuff like that. So these are all different ways why your account might be locked. But to be able to unlock it so that you can access your Snapchat account again, you'll see here, if you attempt to unlock your account and see a message stating that it's been permanently locked, our support team will not be able to unlock it for you. However, unlock your account is a little link here, so we can tap on that. Now, I've already gone through the steps, but it'll ask you to log into your account, and then it'll probably send you a kind of code so that you can access that and get onto this page. So you have to log in and then use that code that's texted to you, and then you'll get this manage my account. And you can see here, unlock my account is towards the bottom here. I can tap on that and it says, if you received a message saying that your account has been temporarily locked, please wait and try logging in several hours later. If your account has been locked for an extended period of time, you can try to unlock your account by clicking unlock below. So you can tap the I'm not a robot here. You can tap that button. We'll do the motorcycles. And now you can hit the unlock button. Of course, my Snapchat account is not locked, so I'm not going to hit the unlock button. But then you can hit the unlock button, but it says, please note you must uninstall any third-party apps, plugins, and tweaks before trying to unlock your account. Continual use of third-party apps or tweaks, sending spam, or abusive behaviors can lead to permanently locking your account. So this will only work if you've been temporarily locked from your Snapchat account. If you've been permanently locked from your Snapchat account, there's no way to get that back. Basically, it might as well be deleted. You can't get that account back. But if it's a temporary lock on your Snapchat account, then you can maybe go through these steps and hit unlock, and they'll unlock that account. Just make sure that you don't continue to violate whatever community guidelines or policies or whatever that Snapchat has, so that they don't switch it to a permanent lock on your Snapchat account. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.